Do you need a welding job done right so it will stand the test of time? If you're looking for durability and quality, come to BSB Industry. We're set up to meet your welding demands within aluminium, steel and stainless steel. Have a big job? Not a problem. We specialize in it. Bring your large-scale welding to us. We can fit the biggest components into our 22 by 76 meter facility and lift up to 25 tons 7 meters high. Sometimes size matters. Furthermore, our welding meets your requirements. NDT inspection will be performed according to your requirements and specifications. For welding well done, contact BSB Industry.